Huacheng is an automatic bag-type powder packaging machine with high efficiency, and the customer burst into laughter after using the equipment. Huacheng This powder packaging machine is a multifunctional packaging equipment with 4-side sealing bag type, automatic feeding, automatic metering, automatic coding, automatic sealing and cutting, interactive operation interface, easier and more convenient operation, automatic lifting of powder metering height, convenient cleaning, modular sealing structure, easier to replace accessories. This powder packaging machine is suitable for milk tea powder, coffee powder, seasoning powder, washing powder and other products. If you also have product packaging needs, you can send the materials to try the package for free at the same time. We can also provide you with a reliable package for free. Huacheng Packaging, one-stop home.